Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going over how to make $100 per day or more using Instagram Reels. These are creative ways that you can use this new platform to increase your income. And I just want to say that anyone can do this. You don't have to be extremely Instagram famous right now. And make sure to watch all the way to the end because I think the last point I'm making is my favorite. So first, let's talk about what Instagram Reels is. It's basically a TikTok clone, and Instagram was like, let's hop on this trend that TikTok started and we'll create another platform where people can post short form videos up to 30 seconds long. If you check out Instagram Reels, you'll see that there's a large variety of videos on the platform. Just scroll through your explore page, click on one of the videos and just keep swiping. You'll see videos about dancing, pranks, education, stories, trends, basically the same type of content that is on TikTok. Now to get on Instagram Reels, you need to start off with a niche. This is extremely important because these tactics will work much better if you have a more focused area of expertise. So let's go over some of the ways that you can use Instagram Reels to effectively build an audience and make money. The first way is to use Instagram Reels as part of the ultimate personal brand funnel. How this basically works is you're gonna first make content on TikTok, post it there, take that content, repost it on Instagram Reels, and on both TikTok and Instagram Reels, you're going to have a call to action at the end of your videos, leading people over to your YouTube or website. This is extremely powerful, and this is pretty much how I built my YouTube channel to where it is right now at almost 200,000 subscribers. And with those 200,000 subscribers, I'm able to bring in over $300,000 per year of profit. Now compare this to the amount of TikTok followers I have, which is I think at 330,000. That platform probably only brings me about $10,000 per year. So you'll see just how important it is to create a following on YouTube because it's way more monetizable. Now I did mention this earlier, but you just have to be able to repurpose content. I started making videos on TikTok. I realized that I could just take those videos and repost them onto Instagram Reels. And as a result, my Instagram has really grown in the last few months. Doing this allows you to build a personal brand, right? You're building authority, you're building an audience. And especially for Instagram, this is a pretty hard platform to get new, organic, and real followers. So implementing Instagram Reels is the best way right now to get new followers. There's so many people watching Instagram Reels, but not too many people putting out content. And with this huge amount of watch time, people are just exposed to so many different creators. And if you're able to stand out on Instagram, then posting more on Instagram Reels, it's the best return on investment of time. And it's really going to lead you to be able to monetize your personal brand in the future. The second way to make money using Instagram Reels is to do sponsored posts. And just like on TikTok, you can get brands to pay you for videos where you either talk about them for the whole video or just do a little shout out at the end. Influencer marketing is growing at a rapid pace. Companies are realizing that reaching out to content creators and having them pitch their products or services is the best way to get new clients without spending too much money. Now, if your videos on Instagram Reels get over 100,000 views, which sounds hard, but it's actually not too hard, you should be able to charge easily over $1,000 or more per post. Keep in mind that companies, they'll probably try and lowball you. So what I always do is I try and pitch a price that's twice as high as I'd actually accept. Not every company is going to agree, but the few that do, that's how you get paid. And you really don't want to overdo this. You don't want to saturate your Instagram with all these sponsored posts because that's really going to decrease your audience loyalty. Do this minimally, but do it smartly so that you can get paid as much as you can per post. The third way to make money with IG Reels is to use it as part of your multiple platforms, as part as your whole personal brand. If you're on Instagram Reels, that means that you for sure are on Instagram too. And hopefully you also have a TikTok, and hopefully you also have a YouTube channel. Now, when you do have this trifecta of all these different platforms, this allows you to command more money when working with brands. For example, you can use all these channels to get brands to work with you. So for example, instead of getting, let's say $500 to $1,000 for one post on TikTok, you could be like, hey guys, if I post this on TikTok and I post it on Instagram Reels, can you guys give me double that amount? It seems like it's cheating the system, but it's really not. The audience on Instagram Reels and TikTok, it's different. And why not be able to reach twice as many people with the content that you've already made? And when you focus time on Instagram Reels, you are really building your whole Instagram account. And that's really going to build your authority. It's going to raise the value of all of your different platforms, even if they are separate. Number 4 is to sell your own products on Instagram Reels. So instead of promoting other people's products, you're actually just gonna promote your own product. And when I say product, I actually mean like your service, an actual product, a course, consulting, whatever it is. You have to think of being on Instagram Reels as just a lot of free marketing for you and any future business that you build. Be smart about it. Don't really overwhelm your audience with pitching your product every single day, and try and find more natural ways to integrate your service or product into your content. One of the best things about Instagram Reels is that the amount of time you spend making a video, so let's say you spend like 10 minutes filming and posting a video. That video literally has the potential to get seen by millions of people, especially if you're good at creating that viral type of content. And if your videos get millions of views and you convert just like 0.01% of them, that's still going to equate to tons and tons of revenue. So I highly encourage anyone who has a bigger following or wants to build a following, one of your long-term goals should be to have your own product or service. That way you're building a business off of your social media presence. And we all know that social media doesn't last forever. Careers normally don't last over 5 or 10 years on any platform. So what you want to do is before your social media fame fizzles out, you want to build a business off of that platform, use that to kickstart your business, and later on you'll just have a thriving business that doesn't really require any social media presence. So number 5 on my list is to reach out to influencers and help them put stuff out on Instagram Reels. So in a sense, you're basically acting like a manager, right? And you take 10 to 20% of any brand deals that you're able to get that influencer. I truly do believe that Instagram Reels right now is a very untapped market. People don't realize how powerful IG Reels is to build a following and how effective it is. This is basically what every social media agency should be doing right now for their clients. They should be focusing a ton of their energy on making these Instagram Reels and making sure that their creators are posting consistently. If you're not doing this, this means you're missing out on so much publicity and money. So if you yourself don't want to actually be the influencer, you can reach out to influencers and actually act as their manager. And if you do have a social media agency, something that you should be considering doing is opening up a section that is focused solely on Instagram Reels. This is a service that a lot of people are going to be interested in over the next couple of years. And really, Instagram Reels right now is probably the cheapest type of marketing that you can ever do for either yourself or for your clients. And lastly, one of the ways that I think a lot of people are missing when it comes to Instagram Reels is the possibility for doing so much with affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you are promoting links to products and services that you like. And when people click on those links and purchase that product or service, you're gonna get a small percentage of it as commission. Now, what you can do with Instagram Reels is you'll make these short videos about certain services. Definitely start out with a catchy intro because for Instagram Reels, like I said before, the first couple seconds is just the most important. One example of something that's catchy would be like how to get 4 free socks from WeBull. Instantly, people see this and they're like, okay, if I don't watch this video, then I won't learn how to get 4 free stocks. That's going to hook them in. It's going to get them to actually watch the whole thing. And when that happens, your video is way more likely to be put onto the explore page. At the end of these short form videos, you want to have a call to action. Send people to your profile page and then in there, have a link in your bio. What I recommend for most people to do is get some type of link tree. This is a service that basically allows you to put one link in your profile, but when people click on that link, they actually go to a page with a bunch of different links. This way you can promote multiple businesses and get multiple commissions from different brands. There's so much money in affiliate marketing and it's really one of the best ways to make money because it's super passive. I'm currently making over $10,000 per month doing affiliate marketing on YouTube, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. I use this exact same strategy, so if you're looking for another way to monetize Instagram Reels or any social media platform, definitely consider doing affiliate marketing. And I will leave a link below to another video I made about affiliate marketing. It's basically a whole beginner's guide on how to get started. Guys, Instagram Reels is so powerful. If you've watched this video and you still are not convinced, then I want you guys to rewatch it and see all the different ways that you can use it to monetize your social media following. I promise you that Instagram Reels is going to change your life if you know how to use it properly. And for a lot of you guys that are already on TikTok, if you have a bunch of content that you've already made that has done well on TikTok, definitely post that stuff on Instagram Reels. By investing some time into this platform right now, you are building equity in your personal brand. And your personal brand is the most valuable thing that you have. So anyways, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys are interested in learning more about how to build a YouTube channel, I do have my 6-figure YouTube Academy that is going to teach you exactly how I built this channel from the ground up, from making $0 less than 1 year ago to making over $300,000 of profit per year. I'll link that down below in the description. And if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this. I make a ton of content about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.